we got some pineapple, 5 oranges and 5 apples. Okay, so we're in front of the door. What am I supposed to say? You have to say something?
开门大吉，
开门
Ong Huat Ah.
开门大吉，很红化啦。
That's what you must give a strong kind of sound.
Give a strong.
A strong.
Huat lah.
Yes.
All right, let's do this. I say it when I first time open.
呀啦呀啦。
开门大吉，
Heng Ong Huat Ah.
很红化啦。
开门啊！大吉呀！开门大吉呀！Heng Ong Huat Ah.
Okay.
Another one.
Then I can just go in.
Yeah.
Our second door, our main door.
The main one is the main one.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 开门大吉。Wow. Let's put this here. 早々にやることがあるみたいです。What are we doing now?
Laying the center of fruits. Okay.
So this is the center of the living room, and we are laying some fruit. Why orange and apple, Mom?
Apple 苹果平 means 平安安
whole life.
Oh.
平安平安
How about this money, right?
This one is this one 大吉大利。
This is the
大吉大利 is mean everything is coming good luck
Oh.
Yeah.
for your family.
This is the pineapple.
旺来。
Ong
Whoa.
Lai ah, Ong Lai.
It looks very prosperous, you know.
Yes, this for prosperous.
Good.
Yeah.
Watch TV.
はい、こんな状態です。But why 5 though? Why 5? 为什么うが
Yeah.
うが为什么？为什么う？ Wi-Fi.
Wu means have, God, have.
Oh.
Have
Represent have. Everything
Yeah.
have. Yo. Chinese call yo.
What's have?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Have means God.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
So
Okay,
5
okay.
means 五一二三四五。
So I noticed Mom also got prosperous color.
Yeah.
We're
We are
both
like-
red.
We are like celebrating our Chinese New Year.
So what's next, Mom?
What
What's
is
next?
Next is to I mean like take this rice, salt and rice.
Salt.
And rice and
Oh, interesting. I think we do that in Japan too. Kind of chase away the bad spirit, right?
pomelo leaf. Yes.
Okay.
Chase away the negative energy.
Negative energy. Okay, let's do that.
Yes, and then we'll have good luck.
Yay. We wanted to put some water in
Water,
the salt.
yeah, and this leaf.
So what are you doing there?
I do this house change to new owner. So I give the house clean
So what is
forever.
this? Water and
Water and
Rice.
rice and salt and this leaf.
pomelo leaf.
Pomelo
Oh,
leaf.
interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. To
So clean the house.
to clean the house. Oh, thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
Get rid of the negative energy.
Yeah.
Whoa, so he's kind of sprinkling it.
Yeah.
Whoa, so he's sprinkling that for us to like everywhere. And I'm not supposed to be too near. これは多分日本でやんないですね。日本でやるのは多分森塩とあとオノトかな。オノトっていう草を玄関とかに置く。They left some souvenirs for us. いい。Also got some hairs and some threads. ちょっと他の部屋も見てみましょうか。ちょっと怖いな。Okay, yeah, they left some random bag. Not really sure what that is. And okay, I'm scared of this, the toilet. I knew it! Oh my gosh! Do you see that, Mom? That's hair.
Wow. You know what is that? That one is not hair, that one is black gold.
Huh?
They left black gold for you. This is good luck, what?
You want it, Mom? I don't want
Black gold.
You want it?
Huh? Later collect.
You want?
Bring back to my home.
I don't.
You look at the toilet bowl. Horrible.
toilet bowl.
Yellow.
someone peed. 僕の動画見た方は分かると思いますが、ちょっとこのオーナーとかあとエージェント結構人間的に問題があって、なんとなく予測してました。Okay, let's check the other toilet. ちょっとこれ以上探索するとより落ち込んでくると思うので。We actually didn't even check if the toilets work. 吸うやつ弱っ。 あれあ、まだ水道、そうだそうだ、水道まだなんだ。How about the lights? うん、電気は通ってますね。How about the aircon? Works. Great. Okay, next the fun part. We're rolling a pineapple, and I don't know why. Roll it, baby.
Wow.
恭喜发财！
恭喜发财！哇，Ong Lai ah.
What meaning does this have?
This one is to Ong Lai. Ong Lai means prosperity.
So the pineapple is a symbol of prosperity, and by rolling it, it means prosperity is rolling inside your house.
Kitchen.
We also need to do this in the kitchen. What am I supposed to say again? Fuara. Fuara. Fuara Ong Lai Ah. Fuara.
生意发发。
What's this, Mom?
This congratulations
No
for your
need
new
lah.
home. For your home sweet
So
home.
fat, ah.
生意发发。Okay.
Fuara, thank you, Mom.
2 days or 3 days, you can eat your family.
So I leave this 1 or 2 days. Leave it
just
for 1
leave.
or 2 days.
Ong Lai also leave.
自分奶奶要，自分奶奶要，自分奶奶要。Alright, time for serious work. Okay, now the worst part. Let's do it. So I really didn't want to touch that, so I'm gonna use this as a glove. Okay, 見ないようにしよう、見ないようにしよう。見たら見ない、見ない、見ない、見ない。なんか。I think that is all for now. We're gonna be busy. We need to find furniture, buy electronics, renovate the house, and yeah. こっからですね。でも総合的にはすごく満足ですね。ちょっといろいろ問題あるけど。いいトイレットいい。それはまあ綺麗にしたら問題なくなるんで、ひとまずは綺麗にしてリノベして家具買って。なんで多分 3,4 ヶ月ぐらいかなでもう、全部片付くと思いますので引き続きこのチャンネルでアップデートしていきたいなと思います。最後までありがとうございました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。さよなら。